introduce you what is rational function. Rational function is any function which can be written as the ratio of two polynomial functions, where the polynomial in the denominator is not equal to 0. So let's try to get the intercepts 0 and asymptotes of this rational function f of x equals 4x plus 4 over x minus 2. To get the x-intercept in this rational function, we need to copy first the numerator, so make it equal to 0. Just follow what I'm doing. So the next step is transpose this into the right side. You need to take note that you need to change the sign if you transpose this to the right. So divide this into 4. Cancel out this one, and the remaining is x. And negative 4 divided by 4 equals to negative 1. So we have the x-intercept now, and the x-intercept is x equals to negative 1. So in finding the vertical asymptotes or VA, we need to copy the denominator, minus 2. This function is equals to 0. Then transpose this to the right side. So x equals to 2. Negative 2, so transpose it will become positive 2. So this is our vertical asymptotes.
So to get the y-intercept, we must divide the last two numbers. So 4 divided by negative 2 is equals to negative 2. And that's the y-intercept. So to get the horizontal asymptote, we must get the exponent of the first term of the denominator and the numerator. So 1 equals 1. So to get the answer, we must follow this rule. So the a is equals to 4 and the b is equals to 1. So the answer is 4.
So to find the 0 in this rational function, just copy the x-intercept. So the x-intercept is x equals to negative 1. So the 0 is x equals to negative 1. So that is our 0. So let's try to work on this one. Let's find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, the vertical asymptotes, and the horizontal asymptotes, and also the 0. So how to find the x-intercept? In finding the x-intercept, we need to write first the numerator. So we need to make this function equal to 0. Equal to 0. So after that, we will transpose this to the right. To the right. So just take note that if we will transpose the number, we need to change the sign. So positive, if we transpose this into the right side, it will give us negative 1. That, we will divide this into 3. Cancel this one. So the remaining is x equals negative 1 divided by 3 will give us, so this is our final x-intercept. So let's proceed in finding the vertical asymptotes. So in finding the vertical asymptotes, we need to copy the denominator, which is 2x plus 3. Let's make this function equal to 0. So we need to transpose 3 to the right side. So just take note that if we transpose the number, we need to change the sign. So positive, it will give us negative. So let's divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. 2. So cancel this out. So the remaining is x. And negative 3 divided by 2, it will give us negative 3 over 2. So that's our vertical asymptotes. So our vertical asymptotes is x equals negative 3 over 2. So let's proceed in finding the x-intercepts. So in finding the x-intercepts, we must divide the last terms of this rational function, which is the positive 1 and the positive 3. So we can't divide the positive 1 and positive 3. So we will just copy it. So that is our y-intercept. So let's proceed in finding the horizontal asymptotes. In finding the horizontal asymptotes, we need to get the exponent of the first term of the numerator and the first term of the denominator. So the first exponent is 1. So in the denominator, the exponent is also 1. So 1. So 1 is equals to 1. So in this part, we must follow this guide, which is if n equals to m, it will give us y equals to ab. A over b, I mean. So y is equals to a over b. So what is our a over b? We can have this one by looking at the first number, which is 3, over, and the first number of denominator, which is 2. So now we can divide this one. So our answer is simply this one. Our horizontal asymptotes is positive 3 over 2. So our 0 is our x-intercept. So our x-intercept is x equals to negative 1 over 3. So that is our 0.
It looks like we have a problem. And try to find the x-intercept, the vertical asymptotes, the y-intercept, and the horizontal asymptotes. I will give you 20 seconds to answer this problem. And if you need more time to do it, just pause it. And that's all on how to find the intercept, zeros, and asymptotes.
I hope you guys learned something new from us. Take care and thank you for watching.